Hello, welcome to my studio. I'm just going to show you my little gallery of angels. I started off quite a few years ago making the Celtic angel, and we can see two versions of this, one in gold and one here. This is my Christmas angel in the middle, and then we have the different wings on another version of the Christmas angel, and then the butterfly version. On the end here we have the Graceful embroidery angel in my colours, and here are two of my new angels. Aren't they beautiful? And up here we have a Celtic angel with double wings looking down on us. I have enjoyed creating these angels, they've been fun to do. And I have one more to show you, which is a red Rosemaling angel, but I just thought you'd like to see this gallery. I don't know where I'm going to hang them all, and I have to confess that there are more tucked away in a box. So these are the angels, and they do not have faces. I am going to do an update for the Rosemaling angel with a few little extras, and that will include some faces if you want to add them. It's not my preference, but some of you have asked for them. So that will be coming very soon. But I want to launch the angel for those who've been waiting, so she can fly to your embroidery room. Happy embroidering. Bye for now.